last time I was outside, the snow had the nerve, the audacity to slap me in my face, that snow. It came at me from the sideways. I plan to go out there and give that snow a piece of my mind. I'm going to tell that snow never to do that again to me. It hurt my feelings. I'm going to go out there and teach that snow a lesson. Let me show you. Oh, jeez. Getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to know you, getting to hope you shut up. Wait a second. I just shoveled this. There's 4 inches of. I'm looking at 4 inches of snow, and I just shoveled it out. I got 4 inches per hour. For the love of God! This is unparalleled in the history of the Chicagoland. Unparalleled in the history of Chicago. And that's the only car ever seen again. A lot of snow. As the snow seems to absorb sound waves. Baha! 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 Here we go. Whoa. That's a stairway. Oh my, oh my. It's blizzard-like conditions here because that is our front stairs. That looks great.
Listen to that! Son of a... That's unbelievable! Oh my goodness! Holy smoke! Just incredible!